Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. Today in this video we are going to talk about Kurtis Connor. He was born on May 4, 1994 and currently in 2023 he is 28 years old and he is 5 feet 10 inch tall. His weight is 67 kilograms. He is active 2013 to present. He is quite famous on YouTube with 4.32 million subscribers. He is YouTuber by profession. Marital status: he is married. His religion is Christianity and his ethnicity is white. Hair color is blonde and his eye color is blue. His net worth is approximately $2 million. Thanks for. Her real name is Elia Mary Shalish and her nickname is Sniper Wolf. She was born on October 22nd, 1992. Currently in 2023 she is 22 years old. She is 5 feet 3 inch tall, weight 51 kilograms. She is YouTuber and social media star by profession. Her nationality is American and British. Her religion is Christianity. Net worth is $3 to $4 million.